Hello.
I just came home from work and we're going to go to Walmart and pick up some groceries. It's raining today and a little bit colder. Where's the temperature?
68 Fahrenheit.
68 today and raining.
Fahrenheit.
68 Fahrenheit. I shopped online in Walmart. We're going to pick it up in the store.
Tell them what you bought. What did you order for pickup?
Cereal.
What else?
Some pancake mix.
What else?
Oreo.
What
and
else?
I think that's it.
Huh?
That's it.
That's it? She's shy about something else she bought.
And we grabbed some.
It'll be
store.
I guess it'll be a mystery. She has she has a mystery item she ordered. She won't tell. If I tell, she'll attack me.
No, it's not. It's lying.
Uh-huh.
And also we're going to grab some milk in the store and maybe some other stuff that I didn't order online. It's raining.
This is the remnants of the hurricane, or now I guess it's tropical storm Gordon. I guess it came up. It come up up the Mississippi Valley, and now it's coming up the Ohio Valley, and it's moved into our area. So it's a lot of rain. Just a lot of rain. But we'll probably have a lot of rain the whole weekend because of it.
So this is the box that we pick up in the store. Let's see what's inside. Husband said I bought a mystery. There's a mystery in the box. This one I told you. That's it. Two of these, two of these. Medyo mabigat. These are the big one. Is this the right one? This is 4 pounds. So this is 4 pounds. And the Oreo. Gusto ko ni Kana. He likes this one because it is double. And this one. That's it. And also we got this free something. There are some free wipes, protein bar, power. Oatmeal, and roasted chicken. Oh, roasted chicken. Ready rice. Ready rice. Uncle Ben. So that's the free goodies from Walmart in one bag. May nakita po ako na purse, nag-sale, so I bought one for me. The color is not my favorite, but it is matches my uniform sa trabaho, so why not? Right now I'm going to cook spaghetti. I have 2.25 pounds of ground beef, and this one is already cooked. You can see there's a brown, so this one is cooked already. And the spaghetti noodles, this is whole grain thin spaghetti, so this is very good. I like the spaghetti noodles. And I have 2 bottles of spaghetti sauce. This one is 1 pound of spaghetti noodles. So that's it. This is very easy to cook. This is my husband's favorite, my own version of spaghetti. So let's do it. First, ilagay lang ang meat. So kumukulo na siya, guys. I'm going to add the noodles. So, mix lang siya. So this one, guys, is ready na po. So as you can see, there are some red. This is the tomatoes. I sliced 1 tomato. So my spaghetti is not sweet. The sauce is not from Philippines that we use back home, because my husband, he don't like the sweet spaghetti.
Can I take you home? We need a pet.
Ew. Go on, ay. Yuck.
You don't want to move, do you?
Ew.
So jump.
Ow! Sige na. Hold it.
He might get jumpy if I try to pick him up.
Magwiwis na. Move the leg. Move. It's not poisonous.
No, there he goes.